Installers should always leave generous wire slack at the thermostat and control board to enable future repairs and rewiring without stress. When running thermostat and control wiring, leave about 12 inches of extra conductor length looped or coiled behind each device, so you can pull and terminate cleanly later without stretching insulation or making weak splices. For multi-conductor cables, separate and fan the conductors slightly, so you can identify and access each conductor easily at the terminal, and use color coding or labels on the conductor ends when colors are similar or when multiple zones are present. At the control board, leave enough slack to reach neighboring terminals without tension, and route the excess in gentle bends rather than tight kinks to avoid conductor fatigue over time. Secure the slack with a non-constricting twist tie or cable tie placed away from the termination point so it does not transfer stress to the screw or spring clamp. If you expect future upgrades, such as adding sensors communications modules or a smart interface, leave an extra 4 to 6 inches beyond the usual slack so new terminations can be made without pulling additional cable. Always test continuity and check for shorts after dressing wires and before restoring power to confirm no insulation nick or terminal slip occurred while managing the slack. Common mistakes include leaving too little wire, which forces installers to splice or stretch conductors during service and creates weak points. Fix this by coiling at least 12 inches behind the device and labeling ends for fast retermination. Another issue is tight bends or sharp kinks that damage insulation and cause intermittent failures. Avoid that by routing slack in smooth loops and securing it away from terminal clamps. A third problem is poor identification when multiple identical conductors are present, which leads to crossed connections during future work. Solve this by marking conductors with durable labels or using colored sleeves at both ends so anyone servicing the system can trace each conductor quickly. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and help contractors find work through our platform and community. We also host a discussion community where we, our members and contractors, exchange tips on installation practices such as proper wire slack and long-term service strategies.